Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by launching the broken link checker and feeding it the minimum required inputs. Enter your site URL or upload a sitemap so the tool knows where to look. This speeds the scan and reduces false positives. Once done, set the crawl scope and depth so you don't waste time on irrelevant pages. Make sure to enable follow redirects and external link checks if you care about off-site links. These settings determine what the checker will test and why it matters. You run the scan and watch for immediate errors or timeouts so you can retry problematic pages. Once the crawler finishes, filter results by error type, 404s, 500s, or bad redirects, because each requires a different fix. Export the report to CSV or JSON to sort and prioritize by traffic or page importance. Then, open the highest impact pages first to fix links that affect users and SEO. This prioritization saves time and improves outcomes faster. You implement fixes, update incorrect URLs, restore deleted pages, or add 301 redirects where appropriate and document each change. After you fix a group of links, retest those pages or run a targeted scan to confirm they now resolve cleanly. This prevents wasting effort on unresolved issues. Finally, if links still appear broken, clear caches, verify robots. TXT isn't blocking the crawler, and increase timeouts for slow hosts. These troubleshooting steps address common false positives and ensure the scan reflects reality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.